Hey, Drama Production. I know what you're thinking. Oh no, Mr. Mascio isn't here today. Life is crazy. Everything's going haywire. Don't worry. For those auditioning tomorrow, you guys should go rehearse with somebody today. All right, so still practice. Make sure it's memorized. People auditioning tomorrow in front of Mr. Walters from Paris High School. You guys are still auditioning tomorrow. Nothing's changing. For those who were set to audition for Heritage today, the drama teacher from Heritage never got back to me. He must be really busy. So you guys will be auditioning for Mr. Mascio on Friday, or even tomorrow on Thursday if we have extra time at the end. All right. For those who were set to audition for me on Friday, you guys are still set to audition for me on Friday. Most of your auditions are anywhere from a minute to 2 minutes, and we have plenty of time for everybody. Okay. Now, for those on crew, your crew assignment is still due today. I know. So make sure that is done and submitted by the end of the school day. I will be grading them tonight. So make sure you get those in and make sure they're done. Don't pull a middle school job on it. And well, I'm not going to do this part, and I'm gonna BS this part over here. You guys have had plenty of time to work on it. Some of you guys, sadly, will be opening it for the first time today. Good luck. For everybody else, for everybody, I have already submitted grades, because grades for you guys are due, well, by the time you're watching this video, in about half an hour. Okay. So at the end of school, that's when grades are due. So remember, I talked with the lady in the office. I submitted the grades, so they're there. And then if I need to make any changes by the end of the day for the crew members, I will. So crew, super easy to change your grades. It'll be the day of. For everybody else, you need to audition or do your monologue tomorrow on Thursday or Friday for me. Those are the last 2 days. If you take a pass, you take a pass, and I can't help you. So, yeah. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Emailing me today will be the best way to get in contact with me. Other than that, work hard and be ready.